Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm sharing a powerful and completely free method to create long, high-quality AI videos using Grok AI. Whether you want story videos, cartoon animations, or 30-minute content, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything from prompts to video generation to AI voiceover. So first, watch this video.
Timmy the rabbit and Bobo the squirrel were the best of friends in the whole forest. They played together every day. One day, Timmy found a shiny red berry. It was the biggest berry he had ever seen. He wanted to show Bobo, but then he thought, maybe I should keep it just for myself. When Bobo came by, he noticed Timmy hiding something. "What's behind your back?" Bobo asked. Timmy felt a little guilty. He slowly showed the berry. Instead of being upset, Bobo smiled and said, "Wow, that's amazing!" Bobo hugged him and said, "Friends share. That's what makes friendship sweet." So they split the berry and enjoyed it together. And Timmy learned that sharing not only makes others happy.
This video, I created 100% free using Grok AI. Your character will remain consistent. Your video duration can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you want. And the most amazing part? I'll teach you how to make one scene smoothly continue into the next, no cuts in between, completely free. So let's get started. So first, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me a short moral story of two best friends for kids." Click Generate, and ChatGPT will give you a complete story. You can write any specific story, or if you do not have an idea, just type, "Give me 10 moral story titles," and then select any one from them. Okay, so here is your story script. Now you will give another command, "Give me image prompts for each scene in 3D animation style," and hit Generate. So here is your scene-wise image prompts. Next step is very important, which is video creation, without cuts and scenes connect smoothly. For that, go to Google and type Grok. Open the first website. First, you have to sign up with your Google account, then this interface will appear in front of you. Now go to your profile, then Settings, and then click Behavior. Here, turn off the option Enable Automatic Video Generation. If you keep it on, videos will auto-generate. Turning it off lets you manually generate them. Go back and select Imagine. At the bottom, choose Image, then select the 3:2 aspect ratio. Copy the image prompt for your first scene and paste it. Click Generate. You will get multiple images for your first scene. Pick the one you like, so I'm going to select this one. Now simply click on Make a Video. Your video will start generating and will be ready within seconds. Another best thing is that Grok gives the background sound also. But the main step is how to continue the next scene with perfect smoothness. You don't need to create images for every scene. Once your video is ready, go to the last frame of the video. Pause at the very end, right-click and simply copy video frame. Go back and paste it. Now your last frame is placed perfectly. Now copy your second scene's image prompt, paste it into Make a Video, and generate the next video. Now you can see the video continue smoothly without any cut. And from here you can download your video.
Now again, follow the same process and create all your video, and simply download them. If you do not like the video, then you can regenerate from here. I create all the scenes. Now we need voiceover. So for that, search Google AI Studio and open this first website. Then click on Single Speaker Audio. From here, select the voice of your own choice. Now simply copy your story script and paste it here and hit Generate. The audio is ready, so download it from here. Next is editing. Use any editing software. I use Premiere Pro, so import all your clips. Now arrange them in sequence on timeline. Then import your AI voice. Match clips with the voice timing. So let me adjust this. Okay, so your video is ready. If you want to make long videos completely free, this is the method.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.